To fix error code E5 on an LG air conditioner, it's essential to understand what this code means. Error code E5 indicates that the water collection tank is at capacity. The causes of this issue are typically either a full water collection tank or a defective sensor. To resolve the problem, start by draining the water in the collection tank. Locate the drain hole at the bottom of the air conditioner. Remove the drain cap, and wait until the water is completely drained out. Be sure to have a container in place to hold the water. You can also tip the air conditioner slightly back to ensure all the water drains out. Next, inspect the sensor by switching off the air conditioner, unplugging it, and opening the machine to access the evaporator coil where the sensor is located. If the sensor is bent, carefully put it back into position. Then, turn on the breaker at the main panel and turn the unit back on. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it may be necessary to call a technician to replace the sensor.